I'm not sure if you can see this right now, but that orange dot over there, that's not the sun. I thought it was the sun, but the sun is actually behind those clouds up there. So what is that? And it might not look it on here, but on the camera, that is far away. It full on looks like a bomb just went off. Looks like a nuke just went off. And the weird thing is, it's getting brighter and like bigger by like a few minutes. So I don't know what's going on. I'm full on like weird out by it. Actually full on weird out. I'll try and... The thing is I can't see if it... I don't know, the sun might not be behind these clouds, but it kind of looks like a cylinder. It's like a mushroom type shape. It's like a mushroom type shape. Come on, let me just get out. Okay, do not try... I'm just going to say this, do not try this at home. I know what I'm doing, I've literally found out. I know what I'm doing.